contain only. Sir, I'm audible. Rishabh?
Yes, sir.
So, last class we discussed type 3. Type 3 will contain f of zpq. Just you can assume z is equal to f of u, where u is equal to x plus a by p is equal to dz by du, q is equal to a into dz by du. The whole equation changes into dz by du and f of u and z. So if you transform to means what you can write plus c you can write, they are only just they are in complete integral. You may have that is singular integral, the TDS. To find TDS, we are not doing. Now next type is what? Type 4. Type 4 how you will write means function of x comma p can bring one side. X comma p can bring one side. Then g can bring. Y comma q can bring. So you may have the combination of x p by q. Then you can bring all x and p one combination one side. Y and p can bring another side. You can say is equal to k. You can put as a t. From this how you will write p is equal to how can you write? These two you can equate this, can you able to bring p is equal to something or not? So p is equal to how can you write? X comma k. Can you able to bring or not? Now q is equal to what? G of y comma k. Now solution what you will get actually? Dz is equal to p dx plus q dy plus c. P is in terms of purely in terms of x or not. Q is what in terms of y. Can you able to do or not? Here also maybe no singular integral. Then we can up to this you can note down while doing the formal integral. Here or not. So type 4 is what? X and P can bring one side. Y and Q you can bring one side. You can say K. Then you can prepare P is equal to x comma k. Q is equal to y comma k. Then solution is what? Dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. If you solely integrating on both sides, what you will get? Integrating on both sides, you will get z is equal to integral p dx plus c dot integral q dy plus c. This is the complete integral. Correct? Is there any problem? When is your cycle test 1?
11.
So you have to write cycle test 1 offline and online both. Maybe GCR they will post, you can sit and do GCR. Still we are not decided. Everyone has laptop with you. Suppose if GCR means for bring GCR, I will be with you can write an exam. Correct? Don't put option offline people. With the home and copy links don't tell. Okay. Clear? Here also there is no singular integral because plus c will stand separately. Okay. Shall we go? Clear as not? Okay. Now our student option type is a word student. Late?
Dharnesh number 5.
Now who sent me message? Class we have What is your name?
Agan.
Sana Pana something coming.
Suna.
Displaying actually in there. Come on, do fast. Now this is looking at what you understand. X and P I can bring one side. Y and Q can I bring one side? Tell me. Bring slowly. So you can take that side. This plus Q you can take side. So what you get? Q square minus Y is equal to P minus X. Can you agree? Q square. Q square minus Y is equal to P minus K. Then say yes. Tell me.
Yes.
I know. K. Correct? Now from this, who is P? You can say you are introducing this fellow actually. You are introducing K. So P is equal to what?
K plus 6.
K plus. But for if you join today means you can inform your class in charge I enroll. Then only you get attendance I think. Okay, but if you do only you get attendance. Then I will put evening attendance after you will do. Basically text me after inform me. Then I will put attendance. Then only you get attendance. Other than that, you option. P is equal to K plus X. Now Q is what? Root of solution is what you know. Z is equal to integral of P dx plus integral Q dy plus C. Correct? Because I am integrating actually first initially I started with dz integral P dx plus Q dy, right? Taking integration on both sides I will get. Correct? So what will you tell me? Who is P? K plus X integration what you will get tell me? If you want Kx plus X square by 2 or if you treat as a linear A plus Bx means what you will do? A plus Bx whole for 10 means how will integrate? Linear you can treat as a X after integration divided by X coefficient. Suppose integral of A plus Bx whole for 10 means how will write? A plus Bx whole for 11 by 11 into divided by X coefficient 1 by B. You can treat as it's linear also. What you said is correct, it's not a big deal. Suppose if we have like this, this how you will write A plus Bx n plus 1 by n plus 1 divided by into the X coefficient. Here who is X coefficient here? 1. So just you can write 1 by 1 for practice understanding my device. So this how can I write? What you said is correct only. Not a bad guys, myself correct. K plus X whole square by 2 1 by 1. That's why what you are writing plus C. The constants are all constant different. That's why I am mentioning always integration C. If you are telling Kx plus X square. Okay. If X prime is what you get here? K square plus X square plus X you will get. Kx you will get. The remaining constant is there, no, that I will add in C. That's why integration you are doing plus C plus C. Okay. Variable it won't change. Maybe some extra constants you get all together and very big C like this. That's why integration always is write C like this. Now root of K plus B what you will get? Root X integration is what? That also divided by coefficient also. There is also linear concept. So what is the answer? 2 by 3. Yeah? 2 by 3
into K plus Y power
3 by 2. into 1 by 1 you can write, you understand, because x coefficient, linear concept, plus c. So this is equal to, who is this fellow? Complete integral. Prabha. Q is equal to px plus p square. Okay. So looking at what you understand. So this is what x comma p and y comma q. So q and y you can bring one side, x and p. So anyway, the given problem nicely adjusted. P all in one time, q is one side. So you can say this is equal to some k. Some k. Correct? Suppose don't copy it down, first listen this problem. Now for some q is equal to k, no problem. Q is equal to k, k dy will substitute ky plus c to get. But x p also substitute. Now p is equal to something I want to tell you. How you will solve p? Px plus p square minus k is equal to 0. Agree? P square plus px minus k is equal to 0. This is quadratic in p. Quadratic in p means how can you solve actually ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 means minus p plus or minus p square minus 4ac by 2a. Now who is a here 1? Who is b x? Who is c minus k? Comparing the two equations. Correct? Now quadratic in p means what? Who is a 1? Who is b? Who is c? Minus k. My formula is what? That is equal to, who is this fellow? Then you let x is equal to, this is p. Correct? Now this is equal to what? Tell me.
Minus x plus minus.
Wait. Minus x plus or minus
Under root x square plus 4.
x square
Plus 4.
huh?
Plus
Plus
4.
4k.
Plus 4k
By 2.
by
2.
2. See, actually, while integrating, if you do actually p dx, you will get. X means x square by u. Actually, this x square plus 4k means how you will do? Root of x square plus x square means what I told? X by 3 into same thing plus a square by 2 into cos x inverse or sin x inverse. Sin x inverse of x by a. Plus means sin x inverse, minus means cos x inverse. Otherwise log of x plus. Correct? But is a square is there here? A square is there. There. X square plus a square I want to write, 4k how can you write actually? That is a deck actually. So that's why the constant starting itself, while we take this is, suppose if it is k square I want means what? K square by 4 means what? 4 will cancel or not? So I will take this fellow and then k square by 4. It's not a big deal. If you want, you can keep as, don't confuse. Every problem you are telling some story like this, don't confuse. If I take k square by 4 means what I will get, tell me now. See now it's appearing is good actually, good shape. Looking like our formula. So starting itself you will take k square by 4 instead of taking k. According to problem you can change constant. Sometimes you can take k, sometimes you k square like this. That's why don't confuse. If you take k also nothing will happen, you will get the answer. But while doing the integration, what you will do? X square plus a square means what this whole thing you can write a square. Root of 4k square like this you can write. Root of 4k square whole power of like this. Correct? Any problem? Getting or not? Now copy down up to, now we will start k square by 4 you can start this problem, particularly I will start k square by, that is only a new story. are getting okay. We are going fast. So before 11th you have to complete first week. Lot of questions are there. Textbook also I will see. I will send the textbook also for you. Textbook, online textbook, any textbook. Now where are the I will send you. Otherwise I scanned from this actually. Somewhere is there. Last day I will send them actually. I will check actually. Now instead of k, how I am choosing k square by 4 I am choosing. That is only big thing as no thing. Y means what? For adjusting the formula I am choosing like this. Now right, now P is equal to this fellow. Now Q is what? Who is Q? Q is equal to what?
A square by 2.
Now solution is what?
That is equal to integral
Complete integral is what? Z is equal to integral.
plus integral
Who is P? X plus or minus x by 2. The half of if you want you can write outside. Minus x plus or minus. If you take plus for any one thing if you take okay. X square plus 4 k square dx plus who is k2? Ah. Constant I am writing outside. Correct? Now z is equal to what? 1 by 2 open the bracket minus x square by 2 plus this formula is what? Root of x square plus a square is what? X by 2 into same thing. X by 2 into same thing plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse x by a. Here a is what? K. Correct? Sin h inverse x by k plus k square by 4y plus c is what? Complete integral. There is no SI here. Same story. If they have y in there, the ask means what? You can write dou z by dou k is equal to 0, dou z by dou c is equal to 0, but dou z by dou c is equal to 1, which is not true, so there is no singularity. They never ask us this is moving on. Okay? Copy. Okay. Above. Copy very fast. Copy down, I will do another problem. P square plus Q square is equal to x square plus y square. This one you will write tell me. You can bring P and Q one, P and x one side, Q and y one side. After that you can decide what is your constant. K or K square or K cube or K power 4. First you can bring. Yes, read out sir, ask me sir.
P square plus Q.
P square plus Q square. My writing is very bad, you should understand. I cannot change. Over. Which is this formula. Minus x means x square by 2, x by 2, root of x square plus a square, plus a square by 2, sin h inverse x by a. Formula. Root of x square plus a square is what? X by 2 into same thing plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse. Sin h inverse cos h inverse. Sin h inverse. Minus this cos. Root of a square minus x square is sin inverse. Correct? That is, suppose 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2x minus a by x plus a. 1 by a square minus x square is a plus x by a minus x. Clear? Now this problem try. P square plus Q square is equal to X square plus Y square. All P you can bring one side, all Q you can bring one side. Then you can take which constant you want to take, tell me now. Because all are squares, I will take K square. Then formula shape should be good. If you take K means what? You have to write there root K square inside formula. Headache. Correct or not? So in the box, yes? No problem. Pet name, what is that name?
It was a character of a movie, sir.
Character of
Movie.
which movie?
Character of Vadivel.
Vadivel. In this cinema like Vadivel. In the ఇది పారు
Singing of famous character, sir. Character.
Good. Nice. Bye. P square minus x square is equal to y square
Y square
is equal to who?
K
Yes,
square.
yes.
Say k square, don't k. Now understanding why I am choosing the constant. Don't confuse. Why one time is telling k, one time k square by 4. That's not even a problem. Suppose if I take k also inside, if I get root k for that time I will take k square. Nothing will happen. Now come on. Now what is my p?
Under root X square plus K square.
P is equal to what?
Under root X square plus K square.
I am skipping the steps. Okay, I understand you directly I am making in one stroke. P square minus x square into k square, then taking that side after that root, just I am skipping. Now q is equal to what?
Under root Y square minus K square. Minus K square.
Root of
Root of
Y square minus K square.
no doubt. Now solution is what?
Z is equal to integral
Z is equal to integral of
P dx plus integral of 2 dy plus
let's see. Now who is my p?
under root X square plus K square.
Who is my q?
Root Y square minus K square.
Now root of x square plus a square is formula is what? X by 2 into say below plus a square by 2 into sin x
and
inverse
cos of X.
x by or log of x plus root of, but sin x means you can prepare. That is up to plus 2 level log, then better you can write sin x inverse than right. Now this can I write now? X by 2 root of same fellow, then plus a square means plus a square by 2 minus a means minus a square by 2 plus k square by 2 sin h inverse x by k plus this fellow is what? Y by 2 same fellow
Minus K square.
minus, this is very very important, this speaks lot actually, minus
K square by 2.
a square by 2 into cos h
Cos
is the hyperbolic function. Cos h is one term, don't separate it. Cos is not separate, h is not separated. It is exponential function. Just because means what? Circular functions. It's rotate up to this, it will go up to infinity also, hyperbolic functions. So it's equal to what?
Cos h inverse y by k.
Plus
C.
c. This is what? Who is this fellow?
C
Ca. There is no,
S I.
that also you should mention always. Now time is second. Over or afterward. How many of you staying? All are staying in hostel? Okay, we stay for hostel. No problem. Days. All are. But okay in hostel. But room how many people get? Two people only. But space is everything okay. No, there is no active gathering. Roam here and there Saturdays and Sundays. They fully can stay. For enjoying so much of life is there. At least 6 or 8 months is stay safely. Immediately first day itself don't start enjoying. Give time, some time. But we can stay long life. If you enjoy now this what? Photo will come. RIP. You won't be here, your photo will be there. So very carefully you can act. Okay, next step, can I start? Time is there? Huh? Okay, we start actually, don't know. This step is introduction one problem. Shall we go? Can you able to try actually? Don't worry, why is given problem like this? You're able to get okay answer, otherwise you ask me, I'll help you. At least try, then only you'll understand where you are standing. I am doing, I am telling you, are copying this, everything will do. At least one tough problem, you can, this is also good problem actually. This is any problem, normally we take the sinus, take many sinus. This is also good problem. This is also good problem. Try actually, some tough problem, take and try. If you don't get, don't worry. Leave it. But at least attempt. Correct? Huh? Type 5. Now, this type how it will appear? X power m into p. Z y power n into q. Sometimes m and n also same, sometimes not equal. Don't expect. M is equal to 5 is what? N also 3. Sometimes both are 5, 5 also will be. So different situation, different substitution you can use. Or you may get another form with Z also. This is without Z. This is with Z. I will tell you, once if I substitute this substitution, there is no, always you can recall the remaining problems also. If you are getting into the new type means what, you can recall again old what for. What is the difference between that and this? First type is what only function contain, forget it. See in back side, huh?
P and Q.
Only P and Q. Second time is what? Second type. Name is what? What is his name? Clarix form. PX only one P, only one X, only Q. That type form. Third type ZP. There is no X and Y. Fourth type is what? X and P I can bring one side, Y and Q I can bring one side nicely. Fifth type is what? X power M into P, Y power M into Q, or with Z also. This some substitution I will tell you. Case 1, 2 cases I will discuss. case 1. If m not equal to 1, n not equal to 1. So substitute x power 1 minus n equal to capital X, y to the power of minus n equal to capital Y. This is the difference you can make. Then look here, this is first. Suppose m not equal to 1, n not equal to, both are not equal to 1 means how we will substitute it. Sometimes n is equal to 1 means I will tell you, first time we can listen. How we will substitute x to the power of 1 minus n equal to capital X. Okay, y to the power of 1 minus n equal to capital Y. You don't worry why, how, twice a q like this, don't worry. This is a substitution that. Then this fellow will transform is what? In my sum, what I have x power n p. That fellow will change to what? 1 minus n into capital P. Capital P is what? Dou z by capital X. Dou z by dou capital X. Capital P. That variation you can show. Small p and capital P. Then y power n into q become what? So my whole problem changes to now tell me, this fellow become what? Tell me. This fellow?
1 minus n capital.
Now how it will appear? PQ. So this is transformed to which type?
First order.
First order.
First.
Very good name. Type 1 is always making laugh. Good sir. Is first order, first type?
First.
So see how nice. Type 1 is what again what? How you will do? Forget. Getting lot of pain and taking us daily very bad. Not studying. What are you doing in hostel actually? Every day after college, keeping your books and going roaming there, here and there, tech park and highway and this and outside Poteri, beach, escape everything, roaming, start roaming. No, not yet started. Very good. So you are not enjoying life. Waste. What you will do?
F of p q equal to 0, p is equal to a, q is equal to b.
Z is equal to, first how we will start.
Ax plus by plus
Let
c.
solution B is what? Z is equal to A plus B plus C. P is equal to A, Q is equal to B, B is equal to F of A. Then what you will write? P and F of A into Y plus C will get dou Z by, to get similar integral dou Z by dou N, dou Z by dou C equal to 0, dou Z by dou C equal to 1, which is not equal to 2. So there is no similarity. Let's take the country you have to write. After that, what you will write? This is capital X you are doing. Where capital X you can write x power 1 minus n like substitute. Okay. Suppose this case 1 is what? Not equal to 1. Immediately ask, because y is what? Not is equal to 1 is what? This fellow become what? 0. Now that time what you will substitute? That time what you will substitute? If you are substituting is what? This fellow become 1 minus n capital P. This fellow become 1 minus n capital P. Correct? Suppose case 2. M is equal to 1, N is equal to 1. Correct? Now put X is equal to capital log X. Y is equal to capital log Y. Correct? Sorry. Log X is equal to capital X. Capital Y. Now, my XP become what? Because n is equal to 1 means what? I will have XP. XP become what? Capital P. YQ become capital P. And you see, actually I am telling here, if you substitute this will become f of P2. In this case, what will happen? Tell me. Z P2. That type is what? Type 3. See, type 5 deals with type 1 and 3. If you are entered to the type 5 door means what? You should know type 1 and type 3. Otherwise, you cannot go inside. After going somewhere, you will stop. You are very keen in type 1, type 3, you can able to attack the type 5. Getting or not? Again, that same fellow is coming. Again, you will substitute. There, what? Where you substitute? Capital X plus A by you should write. You are introducing what? Capital X, capital Y, you know. That I will do, don't worry. Getting or not? Am I confusing lot? Now tell me. Now slowly you can give me. Now M not equal to 1, N is equal to 1 means what you will do, tell me? M not equal to 1, N is equal to 1, what you will substitute? For this fellow is substituted. And for this fellow is substituted. So how many combinations? 4 combinations coming or not? Don't stick always these both are not equal to 1, both is equal to, don't worry. Sometimes what you will get, maybe M is equal to 1, maybe this fellow 5. This not equal to 1 means this particular case you can take. Is equal to 1 means this case you can take. That combination understanding or not? I am giving both together and giving, but don't worry. If 1 not equal to 1 means what? This off and this off you can take. Teaching or not? Okay. Sir, Rishabh, understanding? Rishabh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh. What is your number? 7, huh?
7, sir.
Now do at least 1, 2, 3, 3 not there. 4, 4 up to 5, 6, 7, 7 is there.
7 present, sir.
Okay. 8, online. 9, 10, 11, absent. 12, 13, 14 not there. 15, 16, 17, 18, 18 order.
19.
Priya. So that boy, this regular boy number is what? 20 or is there? Up to acha. 19, 20. Is 20, huh? Okay. Why is absent? Fever. Don't tell fever, yeah. Huh? Throat pain. Okay. 4, 8 number is absent then. Okay, leave, then go slowly again there. We have tomorrow
Yes, morning.
9 to 10 40 maximum I will complete, don't worry. 5th and 6th I will complete. 8, sorry, 9 is old time. 8, okay, we start. Okay, sir. Then go slowly. I forgot to mail you. Now, 8 in our class, huh? Implement, huh? The professor that they are talking, they are saying, okay, go by the he left down, okay. Number 9. Okay. But you see the inform below. But at least after evening also I will put that name. If the inform is not there, they are enrolled in the IT department in the touch name. No, that's what I tell you. Suppose it's the case where you n not equal to n equal to all case are analyze not equal to இங்க ரெண்டும் சேம்.
ஆனா இந்த இடத்துல வந்து m equal to n not equal to 1 ன்னு வர முடியுமா? அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு
வரும் 5 வரலாம்.
அதான் m equal to n but not equal to
வரலாம். அப்ப நாட் இதே தான் இருக்கும். அதெல்லாம் பார்க்காதே. வண்ணா இல்லையா அவ்வளவுதான். இது 10 இருந்து இது 10 இருந்தா கூட ஹாப்பிடா. இது 100 இருந்து 100 இருந்தா ஓகே. நான் எது சொல்றேன் ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவல் இருக்குன்னு கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணாம இருக்காது. ஆல்வேஸ் டோன்ட் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் சொல்றேன். ரெண்டும் சேமா வரணும் அவசியம் கிடையாது. ஒன்றாவே ஹாப்பிடா. ஆனா 1 இருக்கக்கூடாது கண்டிஷன். 1 தான் எது இருந்தாலும் ஓகே.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகேயா?
தேங்க் யூ சார்.
சொன்னா பண்ணா.
சும்மா பண்ணலாம்.
சும்மா பண்ணா. அது இதுல ஒரு பொடி போட்டு வரும். அது
பாடி போடும்.
கரெக்டா பேட்டர்ன் பண்ணலாம்.
ஓகே. அது பாடி போடாது. தங்கி மங்கி அப்படியே.
சார் பாதியில் இருக்கும்போது இது
ஒரு 15 பாவரப்பா.